Hi everyone, a very quick video on fuel cell and Messi. So I have been tracking fuel cell and you can see like how the stock price has moved and the blue line is bouncing off the blue line. At the same time, today you can see in the morning there's a 1 hour chart, it came down and now the stock is reversing from the particular point. So I just got into the stock again, and most probably I'll ride the wave till 24-25 again. Tonight I'll make another video on fuel cell price prediction, how we are anticipating, but just a quick a video that I just entered into the stock. The other one is Macy's. Again, we know like this stock went up to $22, came down, and I was waiting to this one to hit like around 13.7 around this area. So the stock came back and it is bouncing, so I just entered into the stock. I think I chose a call option for May expiry for 14 strike price, and if it can go back to 14 to again $20, then that will be a massive gain. Very cheap option. So again, up to you. If you want to see at a 1 minute chart for Messi, have a look how the stock price is moving. So it's coming down. It came around this area 1368. I think I bought around 13.7 something. So it's bouncing off. Same thing I want to show you for fuel cell. Let's have a look at fuel cell at 5 minute chart. So again, if we look at the support and resistance, it bounced off here, then went up, again coming down, and currently here. So maybe 20.19 could be another support, or it might go up. So just a quick update, I also entered DKNG. One more stock I also entered today is the Bank of America, ticker symbol BAC. You can see that after the earning, that stock came from $34 all the way to $29, and that's the falling wedge pattern. So today it broke the pattern and it is going up. You can see the RSI at around 50 on a daily level. Also the MACD is reversing. Also they have $1 billion of share buyback program, so more videos coming on BSE as well, but just want to let you know that I just entered for this particular stock as well today, because there are some good news that ARK Invest buys DKNG shares. Is it a buy right now? So you can see 10% pop. I choose a call for February 19th expiry, and I will just ride the wave and I will get out, maybe a day trade for me. So this is a quick update for you guys. Have a nice trading day. Take care. Peace.